हेलो एवरीवन। आज न्यू टॉपिक शुरू करते हैं। आज का टॉपिक है ब्लड पार्ट 1। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज कैरीड इन ब्लड मेनली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए बाइकार्बोनेट, बी विथ HB, सी प्लाज्मा एंड डी नन। द राइट आंसर इज ए बाइकार्बोनेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज MCV इज इंक्रीज्ड इन विच टाइप ऑफ एनीमिया? ए मेगालोब्लास्टिक, बी आयरन डिफिशियंसी, सी with thrombopenia and all. The right answer is A, megaloblastic. Next question is kinosis appear in blood when carbo kinosis appear in blood when carboxyhemoglobin concentration is above A 3 mg per dl, B 5 mg per dl, C 6 mg per dl and 7 mg per dl. So right answer is B 5 mg per dl. Next question is right shift of O2 dissociation curve is not present in increased temperature, decreased pH, increased CO2 and HbF. Right one is the HbF. Next question is fetal blood is carried to placenta by A right umbilical vein, B left umbilical vein, C both umbilical artery and D interior iliac artery. So right answer is C both umbilical artery. Next question is maximum blood supply in ml per 100 gram per minute is in which organ? A liver, B kidney, C brain and D spleen. So right answer is B kidney. Next question is persons suffering from sickle cell trait is not affected by malaria, syphilis, herpes and filaria. So right answer is A, malaria. Next question is most radiosensitive cell is erythrocyte, lymphocyte, prokaryote cell and platelet. So the right answer is B, lymphocytes. Next question is O blood group will have A both A and B agglutinogens, B both A and B agglutinins, C neither agglutinogens nor agglutinins, and D universal recipient. So the right answer is B both A and B agglutinins. Next question is the peripheral blood film in iron deficiency anemia is A hyperchromic microcytic, B normochromic normocytic, C hypochromic microcytic and D normochromic microcytic. So the right answer is number C, hypochromic microcytic. Next question is a male age 50 years present with flu-like symptoms and complain of malaise and tiredness. He also complained of bleeding gum, epistaxis and mouth ulcer. On examination, liver and spleen are found enlarged. Total leukocyte count 1 lakh Q per mm. Bone marrow is hypercellular with blast cells more than 30% and with the presence of eodrod in the blast cells. The most likely diagnosis is AML, CML, ALL, CLL. So the right one is number A, AML. Next question is on which one of the following does the erythrocyte sedimentation rate depend? A. Fibrinogen contain of blood, B. Prothrombin contain of blood, C. Quantity of cellular elements of the blood and D. Platelet count. The right answer is A. Fibrinogen content of the blood. The specific gravity of blood rises when excessive water is lost from the body, B. in the event of severe hemorrhage, C. after injection of saline into the veins, D. when large quantity of water is taken. So number A, when excessive water is lost from the body. Next question is which one of the following indicates the normal blood urea level? A 1 to 10 mg per dl, B 15 to 40 mg per dl, C 60 to 80 mg per dl, and D 100 mg percentage. So the right answer is B 50 to 40 mg per dl. Next question is in jaundice, when the secretion of bile defective hemorrhages may occur, which may be due to failure of absorption of A vitamin K, B vitamin E, C vitamin A, D vitamin B complex. So the right one is A vitamin K. Next question is prolonged clotting time is diagnostic feature of A thrombocytopenia purpura, B hemophilia, C thrombocythemia, and D all. So the right one is B hemophilia. Next question is one of the following statement is true of Rh factor. Option A has no naturally occurring antibodies. B is present only in women. C is present only in human race, and D it is not important for blood transfusion. So the correct answer is A has no naturally occurring antibodies. Next question is cerebrospinal fluid is produced by A corticoplexus, B lateral ventricular only, and C ethnoid granulation, and D all the ventricle. So the right answer is A coronoid plexus. Choroid plexus. Next question is in which of the following organ will the rate of blood flow charge the least during exercise? A brain, B stomach, C kidney, C intestine, and D kidney. So the right answer is A brain. Next question is jaundice is not found in aplastic anemia, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, and hemolytic anemia. So the right answer is aplastic anemia. Next question is which is the autoimmune disease? Megaloblastic anemia, SCA, pernicious anemia, thalassemia. So the right answer is pernicious anemia. Next question is which one of the following clinical feature is not a feature of Plummer-Vinson syndrome? A clubbing of fingers, B glossitis, C iron deficiency anemia, and D dysphagia. So the right one is A clubbing of fingers. Next question is which of those given below is the diagnostic feature of megaloblastic anemia? 1 reduced hemoglobin, 2 reduced serum ferritin, 3 elevated serum iron, and 4th markedly reduced plasma LDH. A 3 only, B 1, 2 and 4 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the right one is C 1 and 3 only, reduced hemoglobin and elevated serum iron. So the next question is prolonged clotting time is diagnostic feature of thrombocytopenia purpura, hemophilia, thrombocythemia, and all. So the right one is hemophilia. Next question is classical hemophilia present as A CT normal BT increase, B CT normal BT decrease, C CT decrease BT increase, and D CT increase BT normal. So the right one is D CT increase and BT normal. Next question is which of the following is seen in ITP? A increase CT, B increase BT, C increase prothrombin time, and D thrombocytosis. So the right one is increase BT. In which condition there is no need to cross matching for ABO and RH incompatibility? A serum, B single platelet transfusion, C fresh frozen plasma, and C cryoprecipitate. Okay. So the right one is B single platelets transfusion. Next question is disseminated intravascular coagulation can be associated with all the following conditions except A. Vibrio placenta, B. Intrauterine fetal death, C. Rhesus incompatibility, and D. Septic abortion. Abortion. So the right one is number C. Rhesus incompatibility. Next question is Ernest count is counting the lymphocyte, B. Counting the lobes of neutrophils, C. Counting the granules of eosinophils, D. WBC count in bone marrow. So the right one is B. Counting the lobes of neutrophils. Next question is blood-brain barrier is made up of A. Astrocyte, B. Oligodendrocytes, C. Oligodendroglia, and D. Microglia. So the right one is A. Astrocytes. Next question is major part of peripheral resistance is due to medium and small arteries, B. venuses, C. capillaries, and D. arterioles. So the right one is D. arterioles. Next question is turbulent blood flow is produced by A. decreased velocity of circulation, B. decreased cardiac output, C. decreased hematocrit, and D. all. Right one is C. decreased hematocrits. Next question is lifespan of neonatal RBC is A. 120 days, B. 100 days, C. 6 months, and D. 1 year. So the right one is B. 100 days. Next question is stored blood as compared to fresh blood has A. more 2-3 dpg, B. high extracellular K plus, and C. high extracellular HB, and D. increased platelets. So the right one is A. more 2-3 dpg. Next question is reduced serum iron and TIBC is seen in thalassemia, iron deficiency anemia, chronic infection, and sideroblastic anemia. So the right answer is chronic infection. Next question is helmet cells are characteristic of anemia. A. HUS, B. polysplenism, C. spherocytes, and D. acanthostosis. So the right answer is A. HUS. Next question is pernicious anemia is due to A. iron deficiency, B. atrophic gastritis, C. low folic acid, and D. none. So the right answer is B. atrophic gastritis. Next question is following condition predisposed to leukemias: A. Bloom syndromes, Down syndrome, Fanconi's anemia, and D. all. The right one is D. all. Next question is gum hypertrophy is seen in dash leukemia: A. myelogenous, B. myelomonocytes, C. lymphocytes, cystic, and D. all. So the right answer is D. No, the right answer is B. myelomonocytic. So the next question is for acute leukemia blast cell should be more than dash percentage. So options are A 10, B 20, C 30, D 140. So the right answer is B 20. Next question is during the development of RBC hemoglobin for the first time appear during A. pronormoblast, B. early normoblast, C. intermediate normoblast, D. late normoblast. The right answer is C. intermediate normoblast. Next question is viscosity of venous blood dash than arterial blood: A. more, B. less, C. equal, and D. no relation. So the right answer is A. viscosity of venous blood is more than arterial blood. Next question is in anemia of iron deficiency anemia: A. serum iron decrease, TIBC increase, B. serum iron decrease, TIBC decrease. C. Serum iron increase, TIBC decrease. And D. Serum iron increase, TIBC increase. Right answer is A. Serum iron decrease and TIBC increase. Next question is, which of the following about von Willebrand disease / factor is wrong? A. Autosomal dominant. B. Carrier of factor 8. C. Manifest after 6 months of age. And D. Help platelet adherence. So the right answer is C. Manifest after 6 months of the age. Next question is, eosinophil rises indicate all except parasitic infestation. B. Allergic infection. C. Bacterial infection. And D. Certain malignancies. So the right answer is B. Bacterial infections. Next question is, cold antibodies are found in all except A. Syphilis, B. Mycoplasma pneumonia, C. Infectious mononucleosis, and D. SLE. So the right one is number D, SLE. Next question is, in sickle cell anemia all are true except A. Hemosideruria, increase serum LDH, increase conjugated bilirubin, and increase haptoglobin. So the right answer is number D, increase haptoglobin. Next question is, hair on end appearance is feature of SCA, thalassemia, hereditary spherocytosis, and iron deficiency anemia. So the right answer is thalassemia. Next question is, aplastic crisis due to hereditary spherocytosis is caused by A. parvovirus, B. EBV, C. herpes virus, and D. splenic infections. So the right answer is A. parvovirus. Next question is, all are resistance of falciparum malaria except A. hereditary spherocytosis, B. SCA, C. G6PD, and D. absence of Duffy. So the right answer is A. hereditary spherocytosis. Thank you.